To create invoices and set up a shop, start by opening a web browser and typing in the website address. Click on the website link that appears. Then select the Get Started button. Choose between the paid and free versions to download and install on your device. Following the installation process provided on the website, once installed, set up your own store, which will have a dashboard with sections including Sell, Improve, and Configure. In the Sell section, you can find options for orders, catalog, customers, customer service, and stats. Select the Orders option. Then choose Invoices to view and manage your invoices. From here, you can generate PDF files by date or order status, and customize your invoice options, such as enabling invoices, tags, and product images. Configure your invoice settings, including prefix, year, and date, then save your changes. Your invoices will now be created according to your settings.